Right, now do some work on Suzi today. Took it out today, had a bit of a four-wheel driving session with the guys. Didn't really record anything because we just went out for a couple of hours. But yeah, I'll show you what I've got. Boom, we've got a bit of a light bar. Alright, so I'm going to mount it in here. Oh, the sun's killing me. I'm going to mount it in here. I've made a bit of a clearancing up here on the horn bracket for where it's going to go there. Yeah, I had to cut a piece off. Oh, it went a bit deep, but clearance that bit there. So yeah, I'll get it mounted up and show what it looks like. I'm going to just drill through here. Same on the other side. Got the bolts that go through, and it should hold it nicely just below this top bar here, so that the light comes out through here. Somebody's probably going to tell me I'm doing it wrong and it's not going to work properly, but I want to give it a bit of as much protection as I can. So there we go, she's mounted up. It does sit quite far back behind the bar, so I might have to look at getting some spaces for up over here to bring it out a bit more. I can't really go down anymore unless I make some different brackets, but you know, ultimately that bloody sun, you know, it sits pretty level with the top of the bar. When you, it'll be interesting to see what it looks like later tonight. So I got the wiring kit. I brought the wiring kit with the light, so to make my life a bit easier, it's got the relay, the switch, everything in there. So I'll start laying that out and see where we get. So the good thing about the Suzuki being an automatic is there's the thing just down here where the cable goes through for where I imagine the clutch used to go, or goes. So I managed to, it has a nice little bung there. Managed to drill that out, slice out, I'll re-silicon it all. But then the wiring has come along, and there was a 10mm just here, which holds the relay for the light bar. And then I'm just going to wire that up, and then run the wire all nicely down here into the bar. Right, so there's a saying out there. Every 20-minute job is one broken bolt away from a 4-hour ordeal. So I had to replace a park light bulb. You think, you know, 10-minute job, replace a park light bulb. And I had to take the washer bottle out. So I've taken the washer bottle out, and I was running the wiring for the light bar. And check this out. After I removed all these bloody covers and all that crap, I got the park light bulb out, and it broke trying to pull it out. So that's pretty much flush with the thing there. So now I'm going to have to play around with these bad boys and try and get that all the way out to get a new bulb in there. So I'm closer to getting them off. Joys of cars. So there it is. And now I got it. I don't know if you can see that tiny little wire just there. That's what I ended up getting it out by. Everything else broke off. Talk about getting a park light out by the skin of your teeth. That little wire just fell off to it. Oh no, look, that there, that's it. All I had left to pull it on. Whew. All said and done, it's not too bad. I've lost my cable ties, so I have to go through and run some more cable ties at some point. But just runs down here, along the side, wires up, and then goes through. And then we just put the button right there. So if you want to install one of these light bars, it's pretty easy if you buy that kit. I mean, I think the kit costs $18 or something like that. You know, as I said, I need to run through with a few more cable ties because I've run out. You pretty much just need a couple of spade terminal connectors, 10mm, a 5mm Allen key. That's about it. Somewhere to run the cable through. Yeah. So we'll chuck it on when it gets a bit darker, and yeah, that'll be the end for this video. Hopefully I'll do some more work on the Mirage tomorrow. It's a fair bit darker now, so we're just gonna turn the light on, see what she looks like. Oh damn, that's bright. That's really bright. Not bad, not bad.